Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Christo and Bob with Review Decide Buy, and today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Spiderman Sphero Marvel toy. So it's electronic, it links up with your phone, it is appropriate for children between the ages of 3 and 33. It's wisecracking, super smart, you can team up, and it has emotive eyes, spider sense, and according to this box, it's the ultimate experience. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. We have the legal guide, just in case you're about to get sued, ladies and gentlemen. I guess this is the stand that it goes onto, cable, and the actual toy itself. You're gonna match up the prongs and then you're gonna connect it. So first impressions, when we grab it, it's kind of a normal weight. It's the texture's fairly rubbery, so I guess if your little guy is starting to chew on it, it'll be fine. The touch of it is actually really nice texture. It's fairly static. It's only the arms that are able to move. Otherwise, it just kind of stays stationary at its dock. So we're gonna link it up with our cell phones and check what it's all about. Now we're just registering. I'm a man of 28 years of age, so I will list that. I press and I accept. Yes, I will give my soul away. Enter your email for updates and exclusive offers. Nah, dude. Wi-Fi setup. Select your Wi-Fi network. And of course, you will wait and wait for it to show up. Alright, we've connected to the Wi-Fi network. Ooh, select your alias. So, let's see what I want to be. I want to be Dr. Shark. Why? Because that makes no sense at all. Next, pick my power. Well, I love lasers. And I love fists. I'm gonna do some fisting, ladies and gentlemen. And next, installing firmware update. So once we're in the main menu, there's a few activities we can do. We could team up, like practice our skills. This one's drawing skill. Let's play a game.
Want to have some fun? Oh, cool! This is where we play training games to improve our skills. Let's do this. Let's play a visualization game. This is actually a great way to improve our communication skills. Super important on patrols and stuff. Here's how it works. I'll describe an object and you sketch it. When I'm finished, you have to guess what it is. So, get some paper and a pencil, and then press the old spider on my chest. I'll wait here. Yeah, let's wait. Punch.
As an example, we can hang out, tell a joke, chat, or hear a story. Tell me a joke.
So, I never asked, but how did you get your abilities? Was it radiation, a super serum, a science experiment, or something else?
Radiation.
Radiation? Whoa, that's hardcore. Hey, at least you came out the other side with some awesome powers. Speaking of which, can you demo your powers for me? Go on, don't hold out on me. Say attack.
No. And we can fight some villains, and there's many different types of battles that can be fought.
See how... Oh boy, I just wiped the dude to his dog. Oh, he looks angry. The owner, too. Let's get out of here.
There's also guard mode. He's just chilling, but then if you pass by, he's gonna notice it and make a comment. Easy to activate, double press. And also you can set an alarm if you want to. So just turn it on and pick the time when you want to wake up. So, I mean, overall, it's hey, Spider-Man. Chill. So, to summarize, ladies and gentlemen, our humble opinion, this is a neat little toy for kids. I mean, they can practice their social skills as they interact and answer questions. Most of the adventures are going to be verbally described by Spider-Man. They're going to have to be immersed in the experience. Also, we should definitely say immersed in the experience. I came up with that, so I think it's going to be gold. Yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty good at this stuff. They're going to have to be immersed in the experience as they go into their imagination. In the practice your skills mode, there's drawing, there's quizzes and other games that kids can play. Overall, we felt that it might have been beneficial if there was more engagement with the cell phone. So let's say maybe movies, maps. At the end of the day, this is a children's toy. Most adults will probably find it boring after a while. If you know someone who's got children and might be interested in buying this product, you can share this video. Also, we provided a link below with more specs and reviews for you. So if you found the video helpful, enjoyable, hilarious, please like, comment, subscribe. And us fellers at Review Decide Buy are gonna see you in that next video. Listen, Bob, I mean, if we're gonna grow this channel, you're really gonna start picking up some slack here, because I'm doing this all by myself, and I don't think I can continue doing this. So I don't know what you have to do. If you have to search deep within your soul, but step up, man.